Hey guys, what's going on? Figured I'd make that other video I was telling you about. Show off my new to me Ranger bass boat. Here it is. It's a Ranger 370V from 1989. The motor is a 150 horsepower Evinrude XP, 18 foot long. Got a drive-on trailer, obviously. Front deck. Got a Minn Kota, 65-pound thrust Minn Kota Maxim. It's got a Eagle Acura Pro, which will be getting switched out this winter for a new one. It's got the trim right here, for in case you're fishing, you wanna put your motor up. I'm gonna hop in here in a minute, show you guys. Doesn't got that much storage, but I'm gonna be putting a extension deck right here, from here to over there. I'm gonna extend it out probably 2 foot maybe. I don't know what the hell I'll get in. I'll get in the boat, hold on. Here's my backyard. Alright, there we go. Oh shit. Start over here. Got a Eagle Ultra Classic, which will be getting switched out. Got this thing right here, the Vex there, whatever the hell they call them, works. It's got a speedometer, had it up to 60. The tilt thing, that's for the Vex there. I got a bilge pump, nav lights, fuel, switch the fuel over for this. This has got 2 tanks. You can make it so it goes on the port or the starboard. Got a tachometer on oil pressure, right? I think that's what that is. Also over here, this is a Pro Air system. If anybody knows what this is, give me a shout, because I was wondering myself. I can't figure it out. Got your trim. Start with some storage. Well, here we'll start with the live well. It's got a pretty decent sized live well. I don't know how big it is exactly. It's gotta be, you can put quite a few in there. Got the storage area for tackle, whatnot. Same thing on this side. There's a calling system that came with the boat. Probably won't ever use it. Oh. Here's the gas tank. That's a 14 gallon. That's a 14. Need a starting battery, but I got deep cycle over here, deep cycle over there, and this is the neatest thing. That's an onboard charger. Charges all your batteries for you. It's pretty cool because you just plug it in right here. See? Plug your extension cord in there and it'll charge it up. Nope, don't gotta take the batteries out. Got the trim right here. Trim and tilt. Gas tank for the gas. Rear light for the other gas tank. And this is how you go from each gas tank, but right now it's on the port. And the starboard's over there. Oh. Got storage underneath the seats. Put stuff down there. Put some more shit down there. I'm gonna be getting a new seats, updated ones. I'm gonna have one right here in the middle of the step too. Probably get blue and gray. We got these things all over the boat. We got one here. We got a net thing. Got another one right here. And we got a cup holder. Got a 7 foot rods in here. This rod box. I got one crappy rod in there. Got my front nav light, rear nav light. Got another one of them bait bar things. Another one right there. Front live well, bait well, whatever you want to call it. But yeah, I'm gonna put an front extension deck from there to there. So, from here to here. Let's see this. Make it a little bit bigger. Put some storage in. You know, got the Ranger sticker. It's a little beat up. Not as bad as it was. You should have seen it when I first got it. It was terrible. But got all my, I don't know if you can see them, all my duck decoys. But yeah, should be fun next spring. First trip out, I'll probably go catch some perch, fill up the freezer. But if you guys got any questions, let me know. It's a 1989 Ranger 370V. And if anybody knows about that Pro Air system, give me a shout because I can't find anything about it. Alright guys, comment, rate, subscribe.